Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here today doing my creative retreat for November. So let's see what we got. We have a thank you card with all her ways on how to, her, I think that's Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Pinterest. So you got that. This is the kit. And let's open it up. And as you guys know, first thing is first. We're gonna put November. So I got one more month to do, and then I'm stopping my monthly membership because I have so many to catch up to. I love them, but I really do want to catch up to them. So I'm going to stop them for a year, catch up to the ones that I do have, and start it all over again. So here we are. It's called Prepare Him Room by Jen Coram. So that's what it looks like. As usual, they give you the Bible verse, a little Bible study, and then the reflection questions for you to do. Some people use this pattern for tags on their Bible. I don't, because I keep mine pretty simple and plain. I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you can have a better look. So we have actually the bow ties that I will be giving out at the end of this year. There is videos of, subscribing, sharing, tell me what you like, and for freebies. So I have 4, I think, or 3 that I'm giving out, but I'm not giving it out until I hit, I think it's 1,000 subscribers. And you can be one of the lucky ones. And I'm giving out bows, I'm giving out, sorry about that, I'm giving out bows, tumble brush markers, watercolor stuff, so go take a look at it. Now we have the alphabets. These are cute. They're, seems like they're capitals. Ooh. And I will be calling her because check this out. It's missing the W. Somebody took my W. I guess it got stuck. But you know what? Nope. God is always good. I don't use a lot of W's. I don't use a lot of letters, so that's fine by me. Then we have these. It's 51 stickers. This is very different compared to the other kits. They have different fonts. The color scheme seems the same, a little off here and there. But they do have a lot of other fonts on the letters. They do have more different stickers like flowers, which is kind of cool. Usually it's just hearts and the crosses or the X's, whatever you want to call them, and the circle. This is new, so that's kind of cool. It's really different. I like that. And then we have the stamp set. So you have 3 peace, love, joy. Then we have like a bow. Prepare Jesus room, him, joy to the world. And the same flower patterns as the back of the card. You have a heart, which is kind of cool. You can do your own little stamping heart, and a star. So I find it very interesting. Very different, which I'm happy for. So that's it for the kit. I will be enjoying this when I get to it. I think I'm still in 2017 stuff that I purchased, which is sort of a bummer. I need to organize myself a little bit better. But thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up. Don't forget to go check out those videos, the freebie stuff, the giveaways. So go check it out. God bless. Thank you for watching.